Beautiful brick home on a corner lot in the city of Williamsburg. Home has a first-floor bedroom, hardwood floors throughout, eat-in kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances. Main floor also includes an office/dining room, living room, flex/family room, only carpeted room, and attic storage, full bath and laundry/mud room. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms and full bath. In-ground sprinkler system, landscape lighting, rear driveway/patio, fenced yard with a 10 by 12 shed, no garage. New national gas furnace, hardwood floors recently refinished upstairs and laundry/mud room renovated in 2019. New roof, seamless gutter and AC in 2018. Close to I-64 on-ramp, city center, College of West and High Street and New Towne, with shopping, movie theaters, dining and close to park and community recreation center. Non-smoking house and property, no exceptions. Pet policy, 1 small dog or cat, less than 25 pounds, non-negotiable, with monthly pet fee. Lawn mowing/edging and trash removal included. Application, references, background and credit check required. Security deposit required.